Okay, for that person who wanted to see the video, yeah. How do I freaking fix this? Yeah, look. It's very creepy. It's like that one time I accidentally made the clock go way like back in the future, and then I had this error. Then I switched the clock back to normal. Look, this is weird. Oh my god! I've never had this happen before. And this time it's bad. It's bad. I'm not joking. Like, you don't want to know how bad it is. It's really, really bad. It's bad. Yes, this is for the viewer. I mean, the user who wanted to see the video.